How to change your Facebook ID name. So first of all, we will go to our Facebook homepage. This is my home and profile. We will go simply to the right side of the screen. There is account. If we click the account, we will see settings and privacy. If we click the settings and privacy, we will find settings. We will go to the settings, and on the settings option of the left side of your screen, there are some other settings options. So on the general settings, here we will find our personal information, the name, username, contact, email address, primary account number, everything we will find. On this option, we will simply select the edit. If we click to the edit, we will see here first and second name. First name now I am going to show you for a demo. Great. Yeah. You can write down your suitable name and first name and last name. If you want, you can show also middle name. There is a note. If you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change name for 60 days. So if you change it now, you have to wait for your next change after 60 days. Okay. So after writing down the name, we will click the review change. If you click to the review change, system is showing you options. This one or that one, first or second one. You can choose. I can choose this one. And system is asking you to be sure that you are going to change your name. We have to put our password. I have put in my password and save changes. Look, here it is. Now this is here the traits here what I have changed. So in the meantime, you can see actually it is changed or not. It's already changed. So it's here. This is me. Alright, so this is where you can change your name of your Facebook ID. Alright, so hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye bye.